Hey everyone. Today I'll show you how to check if TPM, or Trusted Platform Module, is enabled on your Windows device. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Press the Windows key and the R to open the Run dialog box. Type tpm.msc and press Enter. If TPM is enabled, you'll see a status like "The TPM is ready for use," along with details about its version. If you see a message like "Compatible TPM cannot be found," TPM might be disabled in your BIOS or your device doesn't support it. Open Settings and go to Privacy and Security. Then choose Windows Security and select Device Security. If TPM is enabled, you'll see a section called Security Processor with its details. If it's missing, TPM might not be enabled or available on your device. Right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab, select CPU, and look for Virtualization. If it says Enabled, your system likely supports TPM, but you'll need to confirm it using the BIOS or other methods. Open PowerShell as an administrator and type get-tpm. If TPM is enabled, you'll see its details. If nothing appears, TPM isn't active. Now you know multiple ways to check if TPM is enabled on your system. Choose the one that works best for you.